Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, out driving our 65 Chevelle. Cool car, 6.2 LS engine in it, 350 turbo tranny. They were put in about 1,000 miles ago. You can see it's got a tack, really nice clean gauge setup, B&M shifter. There's running about 55. Got good sounding dual exhaust. Of course, electric fuel pump. So pretty cool car here. We'll get up here another mile, and then I'll show you takeoff on it. Drives nice and tight. I know the guy told me he did the motor and tranny work, but the previous owner did a lot of suspension work underneath, so it's kind of been restored nicely and just a great driver. Pretty windy today, but still doesn't really pull or anything, so it's nice and lined good. Steering wheels for the most part straight. That's probably because of the wind, otherwise it'd be straight up. 1079, so I believe he reset the odometer when he did the engine. So this is a cool sleeper car, being a post, being a 300, and so kind of a pretty neat look and setup. So power steering, power brakes, I believe everything works on the car. Firm shifts, great takeoff. Thing just scoots. So a really cool car. If you're looking for a LS Chevelle, this is a nice affordable one and built very nicely. 605-695-7391.